Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Nabon Women's Synod College hakashi tarik unailar arajar arpoar kalapan long ya ke 26 Foundation Day program haga ju ka por kalapan ko Burom ya kinong hikai katay ka college bat pen ko Burom ya ki lai phau saungut ki Samla ki bala pas bha ka degree la pen songshet ya katay ka jing lang pen ko Burom da ki jingrai na ki Samla Pule jong katay ka college Layo ru ya ke jingkren na ukongsan Pastor WC Khongwer bat kumju na ka principal jong kanika college.
Letitia Lindo, that's her Lindo, and Michael Marwin, Lem Karai.
In 1966, and by the grace of God, I was there in the governing body with late Reverend G.L. Roy as the president. I can very well remember those days with Madam Chocolate and few of the members of the governing body when we started there at Synod College, and how much the effort she had put in. I remember Kong Si, she used to carry that big bag, Mokasi bag we call. She put there all the papers, the register, the attendance, and all important documents. We don't have even a place to meet, dear staff and students. Sometimes we'll sit in any classroom, or sometimes when we need to make the minutes better, we sit somewhere else in the Synod College, in the corridor, any empty spaces. But that was the sacrifice of Madam S. Sockhead, and please convey my greetings to her. The daughter is here, I remember her very well. And those were the beautiful days that, as mentioned by Madam Principal, the difficulty that we start Nabon Women's Synod College, which we dreamed in those days. And that dream has been realized to last year in the Silver Jubilee celebration, and today in your 26th Foundation Day. And felicitation to the staff and the students alike. So those are the moments that we recollect those past 25 years, and as I have mentioned, I'm very glad that the management and the principal, you remember me. I feel very, very glad for your kind gesture. My prayer, my support, and my wish that Nabon Women's College will continue to move higher and higher. We have heard just now from the principal the preparation for the evaluation team of NAC in very short time. It's a big challenge, we understand. Those who are in the university like Guru who are here and others, they know very well how much the efforts that the college now you are in. But as we have passed these 25 years, we hope that even the evaluation team will find you in good place, and together we are with you. And we pray that God will help Nabon Synod Women's College to achieve good grading.